Hello babes, welcome back once again to my kitchen. Okay, so in today's video we'll be making simple potato biscuits. Okay, so just wash your potatoes and then cut into tiny pieces, to cook faster. Transfer that to your pot and cook till it's very tender. Okay, so now the potato is tender, transfer to your blender, to your blender jar, and then blend to a puree till it's very smooth and no lump. Okay, so now we are done blending. Pour into your mixing plate, your mixing bowl. Looking so creamy. Okay, so now I'll add in my butter, then salt, then rice flour, and mix spice or herb. Okay, so all the ingredients will be dropped in the description box as always. So just mix that with your spatula to properly combine, and then add oats. I said oats, I'm used to oats. Call me oat girl and potato girl. Okay, sorry. Add in potato flour and mix together. So now it's looking like a dough. Now with a tablespoon, I'm going to use this to be scooping, and then with my palm, I'll just roll that and transfer to my lined baking tray. Now I'm going to use this parchment paper and cup. So I'll just press that because I want it to be flat. It's potato biscuits. So with my fork, I'll just poke that so it's looking like biscuits. Okay, think of anything creative and think about me always. Now just bake this till it's nicely done. Allow that cool and your potato biscuit is ready. So let me know if you're to try this recipe. Of course you should try this recipe. What will you be pairing this with? What will you be pairing? For mine, I paired with yogurt and it's so filling and it's nice. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're coming across my video for the first time, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.